Step number 1. Remove temporary files. Click on Search window and type and select Storage Settings. Let it load for a bit. Then select Temporary Files. Then check all the boxes except Downloads. It's more than 10 GB junk files on my PC. Click on Remove Files. Step number 2. Enable Ultimate Power Plan. This step will surely increase performance on your PC. Open Control Panel and select View by to Small Icon View. Then open Power Options. Select Show Additional Plans. Now you may see a plan called Ultimate Performance. If you don't have it on your list, follow the following steps. Select Search window and type CMD. Then run CMD as administrator. Copy and paste the code I've given in description. Hit Enter. Now again open Power Options and refresh the window. Now Ultimate Performance should appear here. Select that option. Step number 3. Game Mode Preferences. Open Search window and type Game Mode. Select Game Mode Settings. If you got NVIDIA graphics, I recommend turn this option on. It will give you some extra FPS. But if you got AMD graphics, I don't recommend this turning on. It will affect on stability on your gaming performance. Games will shutter more often. But it'll give you more FPS. So it's 100% up to you. Step number 4. Third-party antivirus software. There is a Windows built-in antivirus software called Windows Security. What I'm telling you is that it's the only antiviruses you need. Other third-party free antivirus softwares are literally eating your precious hardware resources that you need when playing games. So if you're careful and aware of what you download or install on your computer, Windows Security is the way to go. Step number 5. Google Chrome RAM usage. If you're facing the high RAM and disk usage from Google Chrome, this step is for you. Open Google Chrome. Go to Settings. Select Privacy and Security. Then open Cookies and other site data. Then turn off this preload pages for faster browsing setting. And when you playing games, simply open Task Manager. Then select and end task of Google Chrome. Step number 6. Transparency and Visual Effects. Go to Search window and type Transparency Effects. Hit Enter. Turn off this transparency and animation effects. Then go to Desktop and open this PC. Right-click and open Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings. Go to Advanced tab and open Performance Settings. Check this Best Performance option and check some features as your preferences. If you have a low-end PC, I recommend not to turn on any of them, as they will affect your gaming performance. Step number 7. Unnecessary software. Open Task Manager by hitting Ctrl-Shift and Escape keys. Go to Startup tab. Then disable all the unnecessary startup tasks. Then open Control Panel. Set View by to Category. Then select Uninstall a program. Then select and uninstall apps that you don't find useful anymore. Do not uninstall system-related software and apps. Step number 8. Windows and Drivers Update. Always keep your Windows OS updated as well as your hardware drivers. It will optimize your gaming performance to maximum potential. Step number 9. Restart. Restart your PC to fully apply those settings. Hit me with any Windows-related problem in the comment section and I really appreciate giving this video a like. It will help me a lot with the channel growth. Much love.